Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device supports live photos and lock screen animation. Open Photos, find the live photo you want, and trim or adjust it now so the motion begins and ends cleanly. Once done, make sure live photo animation is active in the photo preview. If not, re-record or resave. Then close Photos and head into Settings to change Wallpaper. Don't skip editing, because the final wallpaper depends on the exact live photo clip you selected. You now go to Settings, tap Wallpaper, and choose Add New Wallpaper or edit the current one. Select Photos, navigate to the Live Photos album, and pick your prepared clip. Once selected, position and scale it with pinch and drag so the key motion is centered on the lock screen. Make sure Live Photo effect is toggled on. If the preview is static, check that live photo is selected rather than still. Then tap Set and choose Lock Screen to apply only the animated wallpaper. You finish by tapping Set and selecting Lock Screen, then lock your device and long press to confirm the live photo animates. If it doesn't move, check Low Power Mode and Reduce Motion in Accessibility. Both can disable animation. Make sure you applied to the lock screen rather than home screen. If problems persist, reopen the live photo in Photos to verify the live indicator, or export and resave the clip as a new live photo, then repeat the steps. This refreshes the file and often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.